This is the Iowa State Fair forecast for today. This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, August the 12th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, we have some cloudiness with some showers and a couple thunderstorms across the eastern part of the country. Storm system in the middle part of the country bringing some showers and a few thunderstorms to our region, and it'll be continuing throughout the day today. The watch warning map from a bit before midnight showing fairly quiet conditions, a few flash flood warnings in North Carolina and Georgia. The heat continues over the desert southwest and the southern San Joaquin Valley, and red flag warnings over the west as well. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, showing that we could get some decent amounts of rain across our area here today and again Thursday, maybe upwards of an inch possible. We can only hope if we can get that much. So let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a disturbance coming down the northwesterly flow aloft. The ridge is still to our south and west, keeping the heat and extreme conditions down there. We'll have some showers and maybe a couple rumbles of thunder. Temperatures a bit cooler with the cloudiness, 70s to lower 80s across the state, with a couple tenths of an inch of rain possible. That moves off here Monday. Could see an early shower in the eastern counties of the state. Otherwise, we should see clearing from west to east and highs getting up upper 70s east to mid to upper 80s west. Same goes for Tuesday. 80s across the state, warmer west, cooler east. Maybe 90 or so in the western counties, say Council Bluffs, Omaha, around there. Wednesday, we have another system dropping down from the west and northwest. It could bring some showers and maybe a thunderstorm Wednesday. Most likely Wednesday night into Thursday here, as a frontal system will be coming through. Temperatures Wednesday and Thursday, especially Wednesday, will be in the mid to upper 80s. Thursday, lower to middle 80s at best. And by Friday, high pressure moves in, winds switch to the north, it cools back down. 70s to lower 80s, lower humidities. It'll be a very good day for the last weekend of the state fair. Even here into Saturday, high pressure directly overhead. We could see some fairly cool morning lows again. We had some records yesterday morning. We could see some again on Saturday morning if this is right. And by a week from today, that trough begins to move off. A ridge begins to build up over the plains and up into central Canada. And with this, we'll see the wind switching around to the south, temperatures warming back up. Could see, if this is right, highs in the lower 80s, maybe to near 90 in the western counties, if this is right. A couple days later, on August 23rd, we have pretty much a wavy pattern across the country, a disturbance well to our west, one to our east. No real extreme heat anywhere. And at the surface, there's the storm system to our west that could bring some showers and a thunderstorm or two there. This looks to be somewhat warm, 80s, maybe a 90 or two around here. And at the end of the forecast, August 27th, a couple of ridges to our south and southwest. We have a slight or light northwesterly flow with the disturbance moving through. And if this is right, we could see some showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two with this system as well. So we can only hope that this active pattern with lots of rain chances is going to somewhat alleviate the drought going on. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Monday.